Hey, pups. She doesn't know I'm doing a video. She doesn't know I'm doing a video. Molly. This is what she does on her free time. Come on, Molly. Let's go.
I know you were recording me.
You recorded it. I said nothing. I said nothing. Pew, pew, pew. One time dance for. Come on, let's go. Oh, by the way, you saw Jolie. We at her house, and she poop. This is all Jolie's poop. Has pee too. A psycho cat's on the loose. So we want to see her. So pee and poop. That's a better look of it. Oh my god. What the heck? What is that? Macbeth? What'd you do to my computer? Oh my god. Jolie? I think it was murder once. Somebody just shot me. And yeah, that's always fun. Guys, I don't know what to do, guys. I'm confused. Ew! One time dance, one time dance, dance, fun time dance, fun time dance. Fun time dance. Sorry, guys. Builder for Minecraft Pocket Edition. Minecraft Pocket Edition. Minecraft Pocket Edition. Minecraft Pocket Edition. Okay, I'm just doing this on my free time because I have free time. Isn't that always great? About this game. Oh, that's cool. So this is Minecraft. Rate this out. I want to rate this out. It's a 5-star boo. Let's just post. I love this game, but whenever I try to, hey. Oh hi. I was just installing some stuff. Wait. 1 second, guys. Mod. Oh, it's a mod. That's cool. Okay. Where's that one that has bedwars? Let me. Where is it?
It's in Minecraft. It's a regular Minecraft. Wait, what's Megacraft?
This is all for Minecraft.
I don't mean to go there.
I have to go to the store. Like that. App store. Or game store. Like this. This. I have to go to this.
This is called the store
Is it?
for me.
Mine looks like this. Mine looks like that. Because mine is a different kind of computer than his. What if I do maps? Does this have it? I don't know either.
Chasecraft? Do you know what? Don't install it yet.
Unspeakable?
Yeah, that's his game.
I'm gonna install it.
I never played it.
Me neither. I wonder. Do you guys know Unspeakable? Did he? I need to search that up. Okay, I'm gonna go to Google.
I'm going to Google real quick. Friends come and go. Friends come and go. What is Unspeakables? I need to go to Google.
I need to go to Google. You.
Sorry.
I'm gonna do a new tab first because I don't want to lose this video. Is on Oh my god. Really? Okay. I got you. No. I'm not saving this, dum-dum.
How do you change your background?
Huh? Where are you?
I'm on Google.
Back up. Let me see here.
What is
We're just searching about
Roblox name? That's ended. No, he's not.
I'm just checking.
He's not.
Shh.
That's just in Minecraft.
No, not in Minecraft. In real life. I'm just searching. I don't know.
Oh my god.
How? What?
Never click on this Roblox. Look.
Ew. Wait. Real life. Moosecraft Unspeakable. Preston plays 10 reasons. How do you just 100 ways to die in Minecraft?
I'm listening to this video.
I love that. So much. You know Kelsey's behind you, right? I don't know. Yeah, I'm just on
This is not what I was looking for.
images. What if I do images? Oh. For images. Oh! I did images. You know there's 2 U's in that, right? It's not showing me images.
It's
Address?
loading.
Wait, do phone number. We can call him if he's real. Just kidding. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not trying to be a stalker, but I'm just trying to know. Like, I did phone number. Just kidding. Wait, where does he live? Come here. Oh, I learned this. Never answer people's calls that are in red numbers.
Why?
It's on a video that can make you die.
That's sad.
And then,
Okay, I'm gonna stop doing this. I'm gonna go into Roblox.
why is it always Roblox?
The Sims
Guys, I
4?
think.
The Sims 4.
Oh my god, I should shut up. Okay, I don't like you.
Go into Roblox.
Wait. Wait, game store. I need a game store. Okay, now I'm just making new tabs. Sims 4. Oh, this is it. Right?
Yep. Yep. That's it.
Install. We're just doing this. This is so funny. 22%, 42%, 60%, 78%, 100.
It actually says 96 instead of 90. And then
Jinx. Just kidding.
I hate you. That was loud. That was loud.
That was really loud. We need to charge my phone. No! Ooh.
An update. Yes.
Okay, okay. It's not touchscreen. Oh. You say yo. Wait. So we're gonna, in the next episode, we're gonna do, Jolie's gonna do a role play. Just Jolie, not me. Cause I'm not gonna go on Roblox. I'm gonna be like this. Okay, maybe. I might go on Roblox. But for, who the heck is that? Come here. Fun time watching you at night. Okay, we're gonna.
Life. Don't do that. It's don't play the game.
What is it?
It's a
Shh.
it is
Why did you say big light? Oh, I see him smoking. Oh, that's a baby. No. Oh my god.
You saw a person smoking?
I thought it was a person smoking. No. We're gonna charge my phone and then Jolie's gonna do the role play. Okay. Bye. Bye, pups.
Bye, pups. Bye.